Hey guys, so we're going to do a couple things in this video. First thing I want to do in this video is talk about what you are doing today. So you got your schedule for Miss Fling and Miss Hawksworth, and remember, black is what you're doing for math, red is what you're doing for science, blue is what you're doing for reading. So today, Monday the 23rd, for math, we are going to do an adding and subtracting decimal review. These assignments are due in 2 days. So on Wednesday, the 25th, is when these three things need to be done. So first thing, you have a Google Classroom assignment on Google Docs. It tells you to click the link. Everybody has their own link or has their own document. So you type within this document. There are 2 videos that you need to watch in this document. So here's that document. When you click on it, you're going to put your name, place value, and then this is how you got to this place value video. Hopefully, you clicked right here. Bam. So we're going to talk about place value in just a second, but as you go through this video or go through this document, wherever you see this blank line, that's where your answers are going to go, okay? So when you scroll down and get to adding and subtracting, same thing. Your answers are going in these blank lines. So once you finish this assignment, you have a second one. You have a GimKit, and it tells you that that link is in the Google document. So go back here, all the way down, keep scrolling. GimKit link. So that means you have to complete the place value part first, the adding and subtracting part second, and then you get to the GimKit. If you're in my block 1, you're clicking here. If you're in block 2, you're clicking here. Last thing you need to do for today, you need to make sure that you get that Stretch Math Week 16 Side A completed. Okay, so let's talk about place value. Place value. The reason place value is so important when you're adding and subtracting decimals is because if you do not have your decimal lined up, let's see if it's going to work. Nope. Hold on one second, guys. No, why aren't you working? Okay, one more time. Copy. Bam. Paste. Nope. Okay, we're just going to go back and forth. That's no big problem. Okay. So the reason place value is so important when adding and subtracting decimals is because if your place value or your numbers are not lined up properly before you start adding and subtracting, you will be adding and subtracting from the wrong place value. So you might be like adding your tenths to your hundredths, or you might be adding your tens place to your ones place. So it's really important to have them lined up, stacked up, and filled in. So place value. The quick and easy way we remember about place value is we remember that we have the tens place, the hundredths place, and the thousands place. Remember that THS tells me we're working after the decimal. I think about the number tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. And I remember where they are after the decimal based off of how many zeros are in their name. So in the number 10, how many zeros do we have? Just one. So that's one place after the decimal. All right. Hundredths. THS. How many zero are in the number 100? 2. So the hundredths place is 2 places after the decimal. And last one, thousandths. How many zeros do I have in 1,000? 3. So that means this is 3 places after the decimal. So let's practice real fast. Think about the number, let's do 31 and 627 thousandths. I have a 3 in my tens place and a 1 in my ones place. But now when I get after the decimal, this is where that THS happens. And first comes the tenths place. Remember that 1 place after the decimal makes that tens place. 2 places after the decimal. I have 2 places after the decimal. There are 2 zeros in the number 100, so I remember that is the hundredths place. And then the 7 is 1, 2, 3 places after my decimal. There are 3 zeros in the number 1,000, so I remember that is my thousandths place. I have linked a place value chart in the top of your paperwork for today, just in case you forget. So, your first question, what is the place value for the 3 in the number 456 and 30 hundredths? So, if you need to, you can always pretend to write in here. Like 4 would go here, 5, 6, there's the decimal, 3, and then 0. So where would that 3 be? It's 1 place after the decimal. 1 place after the decimal would be in my tenths place. So all you're going to do is you can backspace the line and you're going to type in tenths. All right, guys. If you need any more help on place value, send me an email. Send me a dojo message. Send me something and I will help you more. I will make you a new video. We can possibly meet live on the video. Just let me know, okay? Next, you are going, after you finish your 5 questions here, you're going to start your adding and subtracting decimals, and you're going to click the video link here, and you're going to hear me again in just a second. All right, guys.